Hello everyone. In this video, let's talk about midterm exam. Okay, right. In under the announcement section, I have extended the due date. Okay, the original plan it was March 21, but during that time we have MGA spring break, so I extended one more week. So midterm exam due date is extended to March 28th. Okay, right? Midterm exam instruction project design for coffee global management system. Okay, this is just a sample topic name. So project design for your own business. You just think you can do the coffee global management system too. Okay, so it's like your, for example, like a bookstore management system. Your project is like a house maintenance management system, something like that. Just think about your idea, your business. Okay, we are learning coding, actually code, and then we develop the code, these kinds of application and then system. Okay, so through this midterm exam, we learn how to design a program. Okay, the basic. Okay, basic. I don't ask you very high level design now. Okay, you practice and learn from this midterm exam project design. I believe you have two ability to design the program application. Okay, right. The topic is not limited to only coffee global system measurement system. You can pick your own business or work area or whatever. Please read instruction carefully and prepare it earlier. Okay, I will read each section requirement carefully for your submission. Okay, multiple submissions are allowed. Okay, because of this midterm, I just using assignment under the assignment, so you can submit whatever you are you think your documentation is done, so you want to submit. That's it. But tomorrow I want to change something, right? You change your mind, so you want to change, update. That's allowed. Okay, that's all. But I will check only final version. I don't read all of your previous version. Okay, so if you submit your final version, that's gonna be everything. Okay, combine everything and then submit. Okay, all right. Let's go. Okay, and one more announcement is if you have any questions on a program, especially Python, for assignment, quiz, and midterm exam, whatever, you just go to SSC or MGA. They provide student support. The link over there. Okay, this is the link. So you may ask. You are not familiar with the coding and some designing, and I need some help. Okay, tutor they provide is free. Okay, so you can use. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate to ask. Okay, and ask me first, right? I will help you. I'm ready, and I can help you too. But someone is like, I want as SSC. The tutor is more. It's like a friend, something like that, very convenient and comfortable to ask. Yeah, if you like, you can ask SSC. Yes, true. Okay. Right. Let's go. Okay. Under the module 9. Okay, one more thing is quiz 4. Midterm discussion for Python. Okay. This is the quiz 4, but it created under the discussion section. Okay. So please complete your discourse and your idea or your some topic. A topic is very broad, like AI, introduction to AI, discuss what artificial intelligence is, its history and its impact on various industry. And another topic is Python's role in AI. Okay, so many students has their idea and discussion. That's good. That's good. I like to see and your idea. Okay, share. So currently computer science provide applied AI degree. This fall is start. It start. Okay, so if you are interested in the AI degree, you may ask. You may ask chair of computer science or me. Okay, that's fine. I will help you. All right. Okay, let's get into the detail of midterm exam. Okay, midterm exam instruction, project design. This is just the design, not the coding. Okay, that means just write down your idea and design schedule and what you need for this project. Okay, the project designed for coffee global management system or project designed for your uh, house management system, something like, or bakery, global business system, or your bookstore or library system, or your whatever. Your business, if you work like Walmart, how design like a design inventory inventory management system, something like. If you work like Uber, Uber, something like that, Uber taxi, the project design, Uber management system, customer system, something like that. Okay, it's gonna be your idea, existing one. You want develop better idea. It's new idea, that's welcome, but you have to design little bit, little bit detail. Just project overview, an idea, something like that. Okay. Implementation plan, something like that. Okay, let's see. Um, okay, for more information, refer to the attachment, attached documentation, and Python code. Python code is just example. Okay, so when you implement, you just show like that. Okay, one much simpler, or whatever your code is fine. But that is just a simple. Don't worry about that. The Python code this time midterm is just designing, okay, planning. Okay. So submission list for midterm exam. Okay. Design only. No code. No source code. Okay. Project overview. Your idea and implementation plan. Okay. Number one, let's read brief description of the project. Okay. This project aims to develop comprehensive management system for a global coffee company. The system will manage operation at global, regional, and local levels, including revenue, tracking, employee management, and detailed reporting. Okay, and main objective and scope. The objective is to create a scalable and efficient system that can handle the complexities of a global coffee company's operation. The scope includes managing regions and local stores, employees, and revenue calculations, and project topic. The topic is not limited to only the coffee global management system. As I told you, you can make your own business, okay, like a bakery system for my city, like Warner Robins, uh, Kathleen, Macon, okay, right? And second idea, an inspiration behind the project, okay? A global uh, coffee company requires, okay, a system that can handle its extensive network of stores and regions. Okay? So there is kinds of inspiration. Okay? The idea why I choose this project because I need to extend my business. So this is just the design. You don't need to worry about the I have to develop. That's good, but this is just think your idea, your business, future business, whatever you think every day. I want to fix it. I want to develop more convenient, and it is more better, right? If you fix it, right? It's gonna be much better, easier, and convenient, right? Something like that. I believe one of at least one you have. You have. Everybody has. If I fix it, if I fix it, it's much better, right? We have many things, I believe, like the inspiration behind the project. Okay, okay, reason for choose this project. This project demonstrates the application of procedural programming principle in real-time scenario. It also provide an opportunity to work on a complex system with multiple layers of management. Okay? Unique features for innovation. This project includes features like hierarchical management, automated revenue calculation, and detailed reporting. It also allows for easy addition and removal of region and stores, making it highly flexible. Okay, depending on your project design, someone don't need to calculate the revenue calculation, right? So because of your business, in case like just bookstore management, right? So they never sell. So just how they manage their many books, like so depends on business. They don't need to calculation. So depends on your business. So if you need some revenue calculation, you just add that function or detailed report and then some everyday report or monthly report. Sometimes depending on the project required, right? So I just provide the sample functions like the following functions are examples for your final project. Actually, we are preparing your final project. In the final project, you have to code. Okay, you have to do it, implement. Okay, based on the your midterm project design. Okay? So now you just think, design your final project, right? Okay, so not mandatory scope, but you can design your project friendly. Okay, so like a global manager function, like I just add like one, two, three, four functions and regional manager and local manager, something like that. I just list up categories like global manager, regional manager, and local manager. Okay, I will show you the real code, for example, how they works. Okay, how they works. Right, implementation plan. This is also plan.